Is your pain?
Lower back, and sometimes I do get a little pain on biceps right here.
In the middle back?
Yeah.
Mid back? All right, cool. All right. So when I looked at his x-rays, in your spine, in your neck, it curves in the cervical, right? But yours is just straight. In the lumbar, it's supposed to curve in as well. Yours is also straight. Now the adjustment is not actually going to fix that, but we're actually going to manipulate the joint, but we're also going to try to work on the muscles after that to try to get that where we need it to be. Okay. Just relax. Just relax. Drop your head down. Just relax. There we go. Good. Just relax. Ooh. Ooh.
That's good. Ooh.
How's that feel?
Better. I have the bad habit of cracking my own back every now and then in the morning.
It's not your job. Not your job.
Yeah. Never really been to a chiropractor before, so it's good.
Kick pain. Get well at the Miami Spine Clinic.